Hey all, so currently I am at an abandoned home in the middle of the mountains, also in the middle of the woods. Let me show you what's inside. There is a very old abandoned car, but this was actually a driveway. Check this out. It's going up a hill and it goes right down into the road. Obviously, the driveway no longer exists, but it's pretty cool that you can actually see the abandoned car right next to this home in the driveway. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I present you the abandoned red house. I really want to show you guys how shattered these windows are. The entrance is kind of sketch, to be honest, because, well, the entrance has a wooden plank going up to the door. Look at this thing. It's a very vibrant courage red. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. This is a plank going up to the little mini porch here. I do have to be careful because look at this. Plus, it has rained the other night, so I do have to watch my step on these rotten wooden planks. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's see if I can make it. Oh God, ready? Oh, we do have to watch our heads here. Whole bunch of crap on the ground. All right, let's go underneath the insulation here. Yeah, this is it. How can I forget my mask? Oh God, there's so much insulin on the floor, it's crazy. I know I don't really have the best mask for this, but it will do for now. All right, so this looks like the living room here. We got a couch. We got some type of helmet here. I think motorcycle. Shelving. Whole bunch of random shelving. We got glue, outlets, chargers, a brush. This place looks destroyed. This window is obviously pretty ruined, but what's interesting is that there's stuffed animals everywhere. And what's funny is a little koala. Oh, there we are. A gumball machine. I feel like there might have been kids here. We're gonna see if there's any children bedrooms around this house. But there's a nice piano. But look, as I was saying, insulation everywhere. This place could kill you. We are going upstairs for sure. Looks like there is a pink wallpaper up there. I think I wasn't the only one who was here, but this place is completely free of graffiti, basically. This is the kitchen. You could tell that this was an oven. Oh God, I'm trying to maneuver through these small corridors here, but yeah, the ceiling's all messed up. You can tell that there's a whole bunch of vinyls on the ground. 22 explosive hits. A flock of seagulls. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Whole bunch of books. And what's funny is this house must have been super old school because, well, a freaking typewriter. I'm not going to touch it, but cabinets with some dishes still remaining. Got some cupboards here. A fridge, which I'm not touching, but looks like they might have had a dog. I am way too tall for the ceiling. The ceiling is about like 6 feet, and I am 6 feet. So I have to duck down. So if my camera gets kind of wonky sometimes, it's because I'm trying to like crouch a little bit, you know? I want you guys to help me out real quick. If you spot anything interesting, if you spot any clues, let me know down in the comments because there is so many things left behind in this house And if I miss anything, let me know, because I want to know what happened here. Yes, look at this. I do have to watch my head. I am not flipping over that mattress. Hell no. There is food on the ground, blankets on the ground, a couch, letters everywhere. Even like a Tonka truck. It's not really Tonka, but it's close. A tiny little piano. I mean, this place is freaking interesting. Pink wallpaper, which is pretty nice. I do have to watch my head. Holy crap, there's cracks all over the ceiling here. We also got magazines. Old school magazines. Beautiful windows. We got Christmas lights everywhere. This reminds me of the abandoned house that I went to in Maine. Oh, I do have to watch my step here, guys, because there is cracks on the floor. I could fall in here. Look at that. A huge desk fallen into disrepair and submerged into the huge hole in this room. Huge closet, but looks like there is an entrance out this way. Disregard the fridge. I'm not going in there. I'm not falling to my death. But I do want to share with you guys upstairs. I'll have to watch my head. These things can hit my noggin for sure. We got a Christmas sweater over there. That's kind of creepy. Something about it looks creepy. Probably because there's no other clothes next to it. This freaking house is insane. It's not the best. It's not the best abandoned house that I've been to, but it is pretty cool. Dude, this place is freaking weird. I don't know. It gives me a weird vibe. Not a spooky one, but like, I don't know, just a lonely vibe. What I find very interesting about this place is that there is a couple pianos here, just chilling. Obviously, they don't work anymore, but I don't know. There's a lot of Christmas stuff too, a lot of Christmas decor. It must have been abandoned during the winter time. But I could be wrong. I have no freaking clue. I'm seeing so many, I shouldn't be touching these, but so many stuffed animals everywhere. I cannot wait to show you guys what's upstairs. So let's go right now to the upstairs. How much you want to bet the upstairs is super freaking gross, super sloppy, and yep. No, yep, here we are. It is pretty gross. Look, there's more stuffed animals. There must have been kids here, I'm telling you. Let's see if there's any children bedrooms up here. Alright, let's see what's in here. Tennis balls. Probably for the dog. Whole bunch of books. Oh my god, I'm out of breath going up that frickin' staircase. How? I need to exercise. Jesus. Alright. Let's go over here. Holy crap. Okay. Yeah, this looks like the abandoned house that I went to in Maine. If you guys haven't checked that out, definitely check my channel if you're new here, because that place was disgusting. Dude, look at this. 1989. What? Up until 1994. So, 1990 to 1994. The new book of knowledge. There's a whole bunch of collection stuff. Bugs everywhere, of course. There's a lamp, teddy bears, cassette tapes. Yeah, this place has probably been abandoned since the 1990s or 2000s. Yeah, look at that old TV. Oh, yeah, we do have to be careful, guys, because if I take one more step, I'm gonna fall in. So I do have to be very careful. I am stepping on a floor that could cave any moment. So I do have to be very, very careful. Look at this. I bet you that's gonna trip out any minute. Trip out, I mean, fall down and cave. There is a bobber up here too. This guy must have been a fisher. Like I said, if you see anything that I miss, Let me know. Whole bunch of clues. Looks like a dollhouse down there, so it must have been a daughter that they used to have. I'm tripping over my words. I do want to proceed onward, but I don't want to take a risk here. All right, I'm risking it. Yeah, this does not seem stable. I really want to touch up these notebooks in that treasure chest. I know it's not really a treasure chest, more like a regular chest, but I really want to open it, but I'm worried. I'm freaking worried that I'm going to fall. Super, super unstable. Let's continue on. All right, one step at a time, Noah. All right. This must have been the kids' room, huh? Look at this. Okay. Just by looking at it, there is color books everywhere. At least I think these are color books. A tiny ass TV. The hell is that? I don't know. Moby Dick. There's also this room full of boxes. They must have moved out, huh? Maybe they must have moved out and just left all the things that they didn't want. Jess. That could be something. Yeah, this was definitely a kid's room. Look at that. I feel like this was a kid's room. Pink walls. Little frames of pink and very, very childlike for sure. Wow. 2 kids, looks like, in this house. Probably. I could be wrong. Let's continue downstairs. Yeah, even the poles, the support beams that was once on this staircase, completely gone. This thing has been broken for probably a decade now. More than that. Most likely. All right, I'm gonna take a gander around the home and find out what's going on the exterior. Let's do it. All right, ready for this? We're gonna maneuver our way through here. Oh, okay. You can tell what's inside the fridge by looking in here. Ain't that wild? That's the kitchen that we examined earlier. There's a mini shed over here. The basement. That's where we saw the exit from the room with the sinking floor. Wow, this place is insane. You can tell that there's a ladder too, up against that wall, the exterior wall. This is the shed. Nothing, obviously, much in here besides a TV. I'm telling you, kids have been here. I know I keep repeating that, but it's fascinating to see something that has been left behind like this. But look at this backyard. This is definitely not a good place to settle, honestly. I mean, pretty views, yes, up against the mountain, but like living here is terrible. Right next to a busy road, right in the middle of nowhere, in the mountains, up against another mountain. If you look up here, see that? I know the trees are kind of blocking it, but look at that. That mountain is bigger than what the camera shows. But this place where I am right now, I cannot say where it is because, well, I want to respect this place. Over here, it looks like there has been a collapse, probably from the ceiling. I don't know. What's also pretty goofy is that, I don't know if you can see this, but there is like almost like a shed up there too, up in the mountains. And I can't reach it because, well, this mountain's pretty steep. Wow. It's unbreathable in there. Very, very unbreathable. What an interesting abandoned home in the middle of the mountains. So mysterious. Hey, thank you to the new subscribers who subscribed to my channel. To my returning viewers, thank you for voting down below in the poll. You guys made this video happen. To my new viewers, if you haven't seen my abandoned morgue video, definitely check that out. If you do not, I will come to your house. Bye-bye.